So the T.A.L.K sales process, T.A.L.K, the T stands for transmit. In other words, transmit information, tell them who you are. This is Gary with Dominate Partners. Did you know your website is loading super slow? So basically, hey, here's who I am, here's who I represent. Did you know you have this problem? Now here's the thing, maybe that problem isn't a problem to them, but it starts a conversation. And you want to ask a question that is going to elicit a response. It doesn't have to be a W question. It doesn't have to be an open-ended question. You just want to get a response. If somebody doesn't think their website's loading slow, they may argue with you. That's fine. Let's find out what the pain is, because in my business, if a website's loading slow, that's not good. Did you know you have a loose shingle on your roof? Did you know you probably have hail damage on your roof? Didn't know that. How would they know that? I had a roofer come out and look at it. They said I didn't. Use a question that elicits a response. Did you know is a great question to ask them.